Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Anker Soundcore 2 stereo Bluetooth speaker. This speaker is having a good rating with its battery life actually. In advertisements it do say that this one is having 24 hours of battery life. If you charge one time this device, you can go up to 24 hours with decent noise. So let's go for the unboxing of this product. So I bought this from AliExpress for $39, and this one took 12 days for me to ship to India. As soon as you open the box, we can see it's showing a leaflet named happy and also not happy. If you're happy, they're showing some options: share with your friends and tell, and if you have a problem, you can call our customer care and so on. And here we do have the owner's manual. In here we have different languages including English, so it do says that how to operate the device properly. Okay, after the paperwork, we can go to the speaker itself. This is the speaker. Actually the packaging is pretty simple, just two leaflets and the speaker, and also we do have a small accessories box. In this one, let's see what's inside. Here we do have a small cable, micro USB to USB, to charge the device actually. And that's it. With the box we are getting only those accessories. So let's keep the box away and let's see the speaker here. See, as I touch the speaker right now, it do feels really premium to the hand. The build quality is really good and the surface is rubberish surface is there, so it really feels premium and it feels like really portable also. So let's see how this one will perform in sound side. So let's turn this on. We had a sound and the two indicators are here. The drawback of this speaker is this one doesn't have next and previous buttons. So it's one having only volume controlling, Bluetooth connection, power on, and the play pause button. But in the manual it do says that if you double press the play button, you can skip to the next song. And also this one is having a built-in microphone for speakerphone options. So let's connect the speaker now. Soundcore 2. We heard the sound, so now the device is connected. Now let's play a track. For the copyright issues I'm saying, the song I'm playing is We Are from Joe Cohen and Sex Wells. I am going to increase the volume. Stop. another track. Hi from JBB. So that's it. When thinking about the sound quality side, as per this budget, the sound quality is pretty awesome and it feels really good and it feels really decent. At the higher volume levels also, this speaker doesn't distort. Like the bass level is comparatively not, we cannot expect like JBL Extreme or JBL Charge like that, but for this, at this price point, the bass is pretty decent. Like if you're going for another speaker from another brand, maybe around this price range, you won't get this much of features from that type of speaker. Even when comparing with the build quality, the battery life is the major thing, and the sound quality also. And it do have the IPX5 IPX5 water resistant rating. That means this is completely splash proof. You can use in front of a swimming pool, you can use in the bathroom without any problem, but you cannot sink this in the water. It will make problems definitely, but nobody's going to sink the speaker in the water on without a purpose. So for daily use, actually this speaker is really good. And to say you, I use this speaker for pretty long time. As per my experience, I'm saying without charging I could use this speaker more than 15 hours, but it's also not after fully charging. Like, so I can definitely say that this one do hold the battery more than 15 hours, so it will be pretty enough for a traveler. This device is a best solution for them. Like, price is not that much high, and also it provides a better output also. In every aspect it to provide good features for us. So if you're going to buy this product, don't think twice, you can go for this speaker. I do recommend this speaker a lot. So we will meet in the next video. That's it for the Anker Soundcore 2 device. Thank you for watching. See you again.